Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is your Santosh from Square Maths YouTube channel. Previously we have gone through the videos regarding to 2022, the new year mathematical concepts and definitions, important results. Now this is a problem which have been posted in the community tab previously. For that I am going to solve. So those who did not watch, please go through the community tab of my channel and go through it. Now I am going to do the solution by two methods. So let us go through it. Now method 1. So before that, the problem is nothing but the sum of cubes of first four natural numbers. So method 1 easily you can do. Let us go through it now. Nothing but here I can write 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. So sum of cubes of first four natural numbers. So this is by method 1 I am going to do. So 1 cube is nothing but 1 here. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. Nothing but 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 8 plus 3 cube is nothing but 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27 plus next 4 cube is 64. 4 4 the 16, 16 4 64. So here I can write now 1 plus 8 is nothing but 9, and here 27 plus 64 gives you 91. Finally here it is 100. So 100 according to the MCQ I can write it as nothing but 10 square. So by the options I can say that the solution for this is nothing but 10 square, here the B option. So this is a routine method without applying the formula. So let us go through by applying the formula here. How to apply the formula, which is very important for 9th, 10th and plus 2 standards for various competitive examinations. Since it is only 4 numbers, you can cube it and sum of all the terms, then you are going to get the answer. If it is more than 4 terms or 10 terms or 20 or 100 terms, etc. So let us implement this formula. The following formula, nothing but sigma n cube is given by n square into n plus 1 the whole square by 4. Okay, so this is nothing but by applying the formula here. Okay, sigma n cube, it is not sigma n whole cube. Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is given by this formula. Okay, so let us go through the solution now. Since they given cubes of sum of cubes of first four natural numbers, so n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 implies I can write here sigma 4 cube. So 4 square into 4 plus 1 the whole square by 4. 16 into this is nothing but 5 square by 4 once, and here it is 4. 4 into 25 gives you 100. Finally 100 again I can write it as 10 square according to our options. Okay, so here this is by applying the formula, and first one is nothing but without formula. So here it is method 1. So method 2, nothing but with formula is method 2, method 1 is without formula. So once you have the total look of the problem along with the question, so please viewers, like this, go through the community tab and get the answers for the given problem. And in this way I have been done with the two methods, okay, with formula and without formula. Hope you like this. After watching this, share to your near and dear friends, well wishers, subscribers and viewers. If you like, then only like it. Signing out, this is your Santosh